In this tutorial, we will see that how can enable sensitive content on Telegram in just few easy steps. So let's dive right in. This method works for iOS and Android both. So let's dive right in. So for the first step, you have to open Google and simply search for Telegram web. Search it. Here it will show you this website here, web.telegram.org. You have to open it from here. If it will show error to you, you can simply turn on the VPN. Then it will show you this type of window here. So you have to log in with your account. Then it will send a code to your Telegram app. Simply you have to write that code here and it will be logged in. After logging in, now to enable sensitive content. On the left upper side you will see here these three lines. Click on that and open up settings from here. Then from these settings, if you scroll it down, you will see here this privacy and security. You have to open it, and after opening this, if you scroll a bit, it will show you this sensitive content. Show 18 plus content. Do not hide media that contains content suitable only for adults. You can simply check this if you want to enable sensitive content on Telegram. After turning this on, simply click back and these settings will be saved. So that's how you can enable sensitive content on Telegram in just few easy steps.